is one thing that I love when it comes to sit-down videos on YouTube, is the fact that nobody is really going to be seeing what you're wearing under like this. Even if I have to sit down on a chair and a table, you are probably not going to see what I'm wearing under. So if you see YouTubers that film more of a sit-down video, if you go and check their closets, they have more of tops compared to shorts. This is me just thinking out loud. Let's move straight into today's video. Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Bukola. I film about skincare, YouTube tips, and as well vlog. And if you love what I do here, kindly click on the subscribe button. And today is Monday. We don't do much on our channel today. We just talk and answer questions, maybe pending questions that haven't been attended to, some other things that we need to shed more light. And people are as well going to be dropping their comments, so make sure you drop your own comments as well on whatever thing we are going to be talking about today in this recap. And the very first question that I'll be answering in today's recap is, somebody told me to talk about retinol. This question came in this morning and the person said I should talk about retinol, and I'm just going to be saying that retinol is vitamin A. It's like a derivative of vitamin A. So when you use it, it goes like under the outer layer of your skin and helps you to like boost your collagen. So this is going to reduce wrinkles, anti-aging, and all of those things. And retinol as well can be used for acne, scarring, and as well it has an exfoliant in it as well that can help with uneven skin tone and hyperpigmentation. So now you see that retinol does a lot of things when it comes to skincare, and that's why you see that people always tell you that don't sleep on retinol. Like, make sure you're using retinol. Retinol is so good for anti-aging. It boosts the production of collagen, and that's why people will tell you, oh, if you have acne, if you are aging, if you are looking for an anti-aging serum, you can use retinol. And if you want to incorporate retinol into, it's even easy to incorporate retinol into your skincare, because if you don't see somebody that has hyperpigmentation, it might probably be acne, it might probably be anti-aging, it might probably be wrinkles. So retinol is just like a derivative of vitamin A that helps to boost the production of collagen and makes your skin look very plump. So with that, it's going to help you with wrinkles and anti-aging basically. So that's just the simple way that I can talk about retinol. If you want to know more about retinol, like in depth, you want to go in depth, then you can check it online. But the basic thing you are going to be seeing is all these things that I just said. So I just summarized it for you guys. And next question is how to use a scrub. See, if you want to use a scrub, whenever you have the intention of scrubbing your skin, this is what I do sometimes. When I want to use my black soap to wash my face, to wash my body first, just to make my body wet a bit. You don't have to be hard. Just take the soap and rub it on your skin, all over your skin, and just wash it off with water. So it's going to make your skin soft already. So by the time you are going in with your scrub, it's not going to be too harsh on your skin. So you make sure, and if you don't want to use soap, it is not really a must for you to use soap. If you don't want to use soap, you can go in with just water. Just pour water on your body and let your body soak. Then before you now start applying the scrub, and scrub gently so you don't have marks. There are people that whenever they scrub with salt, their skin is so sensitive that whenever they scrub with salt or something that is a bit strong, you will see the marks on their body. So that's why I always advise people, whenever you are scrubbing, just try as much as possible to scrub gently, so that just to avoid all the scarring on your skin. So next one is, can I mix pimento serum with skin doctor lotion? The skin doctor lotion is pretty fine on your skin. I don't really want to be answering questions like this before, because I have not tried to mix all serums with all lotions. So majority of the time I don't even know what the cream you're talking about. I don't even know what it looks like. But if you have used Skin Doctor before and you are pretty much very sure that this cream is good, pimento serum is a very good serum. And whenever you're mixing your serum with your cream, when it gets to your hand, please make a fist like this before you start rubbing on your knuckles, so that you don't have knuckles. So next question is, I need a face cream and a face soap. My face is messed up with spots, acne, and pimples. If your face is messed up with spots, acne, and pimples, I would advise to get a kit for your face. All those creams is now so hard to even identify their original one if you are not very careful. So what I'm going to say is this: if you know you are suffering from acne and pimples and what other thing is there, and spots, if you know you are suffering for something like this, you can go for a kit for your face wash. You can go for a toner that's going to help you with the dark spot and as well fight the acne for you. If you are looking for a toner, go and check my updated face how to use your routine video. I made a review of the toner. I talk about my toner. You see my toner there. So if you know you want to use a toner that is going to, or you know you have a black spot, you have pimples, you have all of those things, sometimes going to the nearby skincare shop and just picking up whatever cream they give you might not be the best option. But what I tell people now is, this is 2021, you don't need to sleep on your skin. Get something that you know you are very, very sure of. So you can get toner that is going to help you fight the dark spot and as well help you fight the acne on the other hand. So, and in the same way, you can get treatment. You can even get some serums that fight hyperpigmentation and all these scars and pimples. Just something that's going to help you fight it, and not particularly a cream. Then you can now go in with your moisturizer. Get a treatment for whatever issue you have on your skin, then go in with your moisturizer. If you don't have any other motive aside from that, I cannot really answer that. And then again, a very good cream that I know that if you use very well during this time, that I know the review is high, and I know people have been giving me good review about, is Stay Young, and I think I have talked about it like 4 or 5 times, so I don't want to talk about it again. So what I'm going to say is, even if you're interested in using a Stay Young and you have an anti-pimples or an anti-reaction with it, I just want to tell you that it is not something that is meant to be used every day. That cream is not something meant to be used every day. So you can just fix like 3 days in a week for you to use it, or 4 days in a week basically. So don't turn it to your everyday cream just for it not to make your skin thin, and that's how you're even going to get the best results when you don't use it every day. So that's what I'm going to be saying about that. Next one is, can I mix wheat oil into my CeraVe lotion? No sis, I'm dropping my opinion on this. I'm not going to be advising you to mix wheat oil into your CeraVe lotion. Even CeraVe lotion on itself is watery already. So if you know you are interested in using oil on your skin alongside your CeraVe lotion, why not use your oil then your CeraVe lotion, or your CeraVe lotion then your oil? You don't need to mix the two together. I'm not going to be advising you to mix the two together. I haven't done that before, and I don't think it's even best to mix it together, because I use CeraVe lotion and I know that this thing is very, very light. It's watery on its own. So imagine pouring oil into it. There's a probability of it not mixing. If you look at it very well, there's a probability of it not mixing when you pour the wheat oil in it. And so why do you want to mix it? So I will advise you use it alongside your CeraVe and not mix it inside, if you get what I mean. So next one is, which serum goes well with whitening black soap? You see glutathione serum, any serum that contains glutathione serum. You see skin free milk. These are serums that goes well with whitening black soap. Reason why I said this is because I am not really into anything that has to do with whitening. But if you know it is something you want to do, these are serums that whitens the skin. But when you pour them into your soap and you use your soap anyhow, you are still not going to get the best result from it. If you like, pour 5 glutathione comprime serum in your black soap. If you are not using that soap well, you are not going to get the results. You want a soap to whiten you, you have poured all the whitening things that you know inside. What you are meant to do whenever you want to use your soap is to apply on your body for a few minutes, and which is not what everybody can do, because majority of the time when we go into the bathroom, we're in a rush. Probably you are going somewhere, I want to quickly bathe, and then you use your soap and you just put it in your scrub, your sponge, rub it on your body, and that's it, you go. And it's not supposed to be like that. So if you know you are using a whitening soap, it's something that it needs your time whenever you want to use the soap. So wet your body, massage the soap into your skin, and then leave. Even if you can wait for 15 minutes, leave it on your skin for a while before you now wash it. That is when you can get the result. But if you just put it in your sponge and just wash it off with your skin, you are not going to get results. So majority of the time, some people are even putting enough active ingredients in their soap, but because majority of people don't know how to use it, they are not getting the best result from it. So that's what I would say about that. Next one is, are we to use face soap after cleansing? It is not really important for you to use a face soap after cleansing. Cleansing and using face soap is more like the same thing, but there are some people, whenever they use a liquid face soap, they always feel as if their face is not really clean. I have a friend like that, and that's why I'm saying this. So after washing her face, she will now go and use this Dudu Osu and just use it to rub her face. And if you guys don't know, Dudu Osu helps with acne for a lot of people. I'm not saying for everyone, but for a lot, quite number of people. So this is what she does after cleansing her face with a liquid soap. So because the liquid has a bit, like it feels oily after washing it off a bit, and she does not feel comfortable with that, so she was not going to use Dudu Osu. But it is not as if it is compulsory for you to use a soap after cleansing. Cleansing really means that you are washing your face as well. Please, where can I get all this product? I made a video around last year September telling you guys, showing you guys how to go on IG, search for vendors, because if any vendors go with your money, you would think I know these people. Sometimes when I buy online as well, I don't know them, I just patronize them, and hope they deliver. I have been scammed as well, like quite a number of times. So I cannot tell you go to this particular place. I don't know if it is my own delivery that is fast, if it is your own delivery that is not fast. And people are so impatient to a point that they will come to your DM and tell you refer this person to me, then why is this person not delivering, not knowing that you only did a favor. So if you know that you are so curious to get customers online or to find vendors online, and you want to really know how to find vendors online, I made a video on how you can use tags to search for vendors, skincare vendors, and get what you want. Talk to them yourself. Make sure you go through their page to be sure they are not going to scam you. And yeah, you get your product if they did not scam you, basically. So that's all I'm going to say to you guys. So this is all the questions that I'm able to put out today. I'm so glad. Devil tried for me not to be able to film this video this morning, but God is bigger than what and the devil. So thank you guys so much for coming on my channel today. Thank you for watching my videos. I hope you have clicked on the subscribe button. I hope you have turned on your post notification. And you guys, I'm definitely going to be seeing you guys in my next video. And make sure you don't miss any of our recap. If you have questions for me, drop in the comment section. I'm going to be writing them out. Then the next recap coming Monday, I will definitely do it. So thank you guys so much for coming through. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.